Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to tell you how you can get the bonus on King Casino platform about €150 very easily. Seriously, it's a great thing, and right now King Casino main platform is entirely live for you, and you can basically deposit only and only €20 in the platform. First of all, you have to sign up on this platform, and then you have to deposit you have to deposit $20. Then you will be able to get the bonus of €150 very easily, and then you can play the games on their main platform. So today I'm going to share each and everything regarding this platform. So before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. And if you are listening my voice first time, kindly do me a favor, do subscribe me on all the social media so you are not going to miss any of our news and also about the all latest updates of crypto. First of all, you have to sign up on the main platform of m.kingcasino.io. After the sign up, here you have the chance to got the sign up. First of all, after sign up, you have to do a simple thing. Basically, you have multiple games over here. You can see the casino games, live casino, sports betting, everything. Right now, I am going to click on the casino games. Now, I will show you they have multiple options. Here you can say the number of games of basically casino which you can play only by depositing money over here. Here you have the chance to click on the deposit icon first of all, where you have to deposit your assets only and only €20, as I am telling you again and again. And after €20, you will get the chance to got €150 entirely free, which you can use to play casino games on this platform. You also have the chance to play somehow more games. You have the chance to at this time to go the live casino and also in the sports betting. For example, if I am going to click on the sports betting, you have the chance that you can basically put that €150, which is basically the welcome bonus for all of you, which you can use on this platform also, on the live casino, on the casino games, and also on the sports betting. So it is one of the best chances to sign up on this platform right now, because it is such a great thing for all the people who love casino games and who love to play casino, who love to play in the live casino and also in the sports betting. So it is your chance to grab it, and here you can see number of games. Right now you can bet over here very easily with the welcome bonus, and with the welcome bonus you have the chance to play all these games. Right now I will show you the main platform of kingcasino.io. Here you can see each and everything. Right now their IEO is live on P2P, B2B and La Token Exchange, and they have multiple options. And the basic thing, their all social media is entirely live, and 24/7 support is over there for you, where you can ask multiple questions, each and every question regarding the platform and also regarding the games, the casino games. And as I told you, it is entirely easy for you to sign up on this platform. You just have to put your email address, your name and password. After that, you can basically easily sign up on kingcasino.io platform. And here you can see the all social media, wherever you can go at any time and you can ask multiple questions regarding this platform. And the basic thing is this, they already have had their own YouTube channel where you can directly go King Casino Official, where you have to subscribe this channel first of all, and you can even ask the questions regarding all the games, all the platforms in their YouTube channel, and you can basically comment over there and you can ask all the questions regarding the main platform of King Casino. As I showed you, they have multiple options of the games at this time. After the bonus, you can basically play these games on their main platform. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.